Identifying, rewarding, and retaining high-quality CEOs is difficult. Evaluators from the boardroom to the media do their best to support the best people and sanction poor performers. But over time, do these evaluators accurately assess a CEO's quality? Through 2 studies, researchers found that boards of directors and the media are quite adept at identifying CEO contextual quality. Additionally, they found that CEO contextual quality can even be identified by the language CEOs use on calls with investors. Past research suggests that boards of directors and the media are lackluster at monitoring CEOs because they are unable to identify quality CEOs or are afraid to sanction bad ones because of complex interpersonal relationships. But as it turns out, high-quality CEOs are paid more over time by boards of directors and awarded more by the media than low-quality CEOs, showing that boards and the media can recognize CEO quality. Early in their tenure, when performance is equivocal, high-quality CEOs also use more relationship-based language on calls with investors, praising their company's partners and how working with others leads to mutual success. By contrast, lower-quality CEOs often talk in terms of power, control, competition, and status. CEO contextual quality is also associated with a leader's unscripted novelty, or their tendency to introduce new ideas and topics in the question and answer portion of calls with investors, rather than sticking to corporate scripts. Wonder if CEOs' contextual quality can be accurately perceived by corporate evaluators, even in the time immediately following their hire? If so, you may want to read this paper.